Welcome to our exploration of one of the most promising sources of clean energy, solar power. From powering homes to transforming the global energy landscape, solar energy is making a huge impact. Let's dive into how it works, its benefits, and its role in shaping our sustainable future. So what exactly is solar energy? Simply put, it's the energy we harness from the sun. Every hour, the sun emits more energy than the entire world uses in a year. But how do we capture and use this immense power? It all starts with solar panels. These panels are made up of photovoltaic cells, which are designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. Here's a quick breakdown. When sunlight hits the photovoltaic cells, it excites electrons, creating an electric current. This direct current, or DC, is then converted into alternating current, or AC, which is what most homes and businesses use. Solar farms, with their vast arrays of panels, generate electricity on a larger scale. They can power entire communities and contribute significantly to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. But it's not just large-scale operations that benefit from solar energy. Installing solar panels on your home can lower your electricity bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Plus, many regions offer incentives and tax credits to help offset the initial costs. The environmental benefits of solar energy are immense. Unlike fossil fuels, solar power doesn't produce harmful emissions. The key player in combating climate change and reducing air pollution. And the technology is continuously evolving. Researchers are developing more efficient solar cells, flexible panels, and even solar energy storage solutions to ensure we can use solar power even when the sun isn't shining. Solar energy isn't just about panels on rooftops. It's powering a wide range of technologies, from solar-powered gadgets and streetlights to electric vehicles. Around the world, solar energy adoption is skyrocketing. Countries are investing in solar infrastructure, and the cost of solar technology is dropping, making it more accessible than ever. Communities are also getting involved. Local initiatives and educational programs are raising awareness and encouraging more people to make the switch to solar. The future of solar energy is bright. As technology advances and more people embrace renewable energy, we're moving closer to a cleaner, more sustainable world. The future of solar energy is bright. As technology advances and more people embrace renewable energy, we're moving closer to a cleaner, more sustainable world. So whether you're considering solar for your home or just curious about how it works, remember that every little bit helps. Solar energy is not just a trend, it's a crucial step toward a greener future. Thanks for joining us on this journey into solar energy. If you're inspired to learn more or explore solar options for yourself, check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread the word about the power of the sun. See you next time.